tell you guys, just recently I decided that I was going to take a 2-month break from any client work. And these next 2 months, November and December, and like the first week of January, I am going to do everything that I can to put systems in place for my business so that I can be a lot more productive and be able to do more of me time. Okay. So I want to share with you to be more productive in my business and my personal life. Number one, cut down your to-do list. Cut down your to-do list. If you're anything like me, I have a to-do list of maybe 20 things on there. Now, I know I cannot do all 20 of those things in one day. So what I've decided that I was going to do, right, in which most of these productive and high performance gurus recommend, is that I have the top 3 things that I'm going to do for the day, right? And so I write these top 3 things down in my journal or in my planner. Right now, you guys can, I don't know if y'all can see that, but those are my top 3 things. That was for yesterday. And once I do those top 3 things, I am like done for the day. And I feel so much more productive. Like, I'm like, okay, girl, you did it. You knocked out those things, right? And those 3 things that I did yesterday are 3 things to help my business grow. They're not what I call non-money making activities. These were 3 money making activities for me, right? The number two thing is to focus on yourself in the morning. All right, for some of you that might be a little harder than normal, but so maybe it's not the morning. But the first thing before you sit down at the computer to do any kind of business work, I want you to focus on yourself for just about 5 or 10 minutes. Is that focus time? Is that meditation? Is that prayer? Is that taking a quick shower before you sit down at the computer? Whatever that is, take time for yourself in the beginning. Don't go into your office rushing from one activity to the next activity. Take some time to mentally compose yourself, woosah yourself, right? So that when you sit down at the computer, that you can see these 3 activities and that you can focus on it. That's a great way to keep yourself in the flow. Because if you are always like the energized bunny going from one activity to the next activity to the next activity, then you never get into the flow of things, right? A lot of these gurus recommend that. I've seen this. I was just watching a video earlier this morning about, they set themselves a timer, right? They set themselves a timer on how long they're going to work on something. So if they're going to post on social media, they actually set a timer for about 5 minutes to do what they're going to do, post on social media. Once the timer is off, they jump on to the next thing. I think that's a great idea. The third thing is to take breaks. Now, I used to laugh at my husband because he'll do a little bit of work and then he'll take a little nap. I am not a nap person. I have never been a nap person because I actually, once I take a nap in the middle of the day, once I wake up, I am more tired than I was before I took a nap. So taking naps to me doesn't work. I just need to hash out what I need to do for the day. But I read that taking naps give people that extra brain power that they need when they wake up, okay? That extra brain power that they need. And so if you are that person that needs to take a break, take a break. And honestly, if I really think about it, I do take breaks, right? Sometimes once I finish one activity, and that's one thing off my list, I get up and I go get something to drink. I am a tea drinker, right? So I get up, get me something to drink. I walk outside, look outside the windows or whatever, and I just make, chit chat with my husband for about 30 minutes. And then bam, I'm back into the office working on my task. So that to me is my break, like a bathroom break. Or for other people, it might be a smoke break. Okay. But I don't smoke. Number 4 is what I've been talking about the whole entire time. To make your life and whatever you do more productive, you must have systems in place. You must have systems in your business. You must have systems in your personal life. You must have systems to be more productive. And let me just say this, because I know I didn't say this. Productive doesn't mean to just be doing work to be doing work, right? And I'm not saying being productive like in the hustle mentality, because you guys know I don't believe in being in the hustle thing. I'm talking about creating systems that makes your life easy. Yes, makes your life super easy to get things done. And so systems work like that. In our business world, that will be marketing funnels. Having your funnels together. So when someone does sign up, put their name and email for your freebie, there are emails that happen on automation. There are things that they can buy, those type of things. Those are considered systems, right? And that is what I'm taking this whole sabbatical 2-month break to do, is to create the correct systems for my membership so that I can just hop on, talk to you guys, and then I can make an offer or send you to a link, and everything happens on the back end. Okay. So again, if you want to check out what one of my systems is like, go to AliceMichelle.com/the kit so you can sign up for my coach's starter kit so that you can see my what I call the first stage tier of my marketing funnel. All right. So those are the 4 things that you can do to be more productive in your business and life. I'll see you Blessed Tuesday, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.